Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about on how to organize virtual data room for fundraising. A virtual data room is a secure online repository where businesses can store and share confidential documents with third parties in a controlled and secure manner. Here are some tips on how to organize your VDR for fundraising. Create a folder structure. The first step to create a folder structure for your VDR. This will help you to organize your documents in a logical way. A common folder structure for fundraising VDRs is to have a folder for each category of documents such as financial records, legal documents, and corporate governance documents. Within each category, you can create a subfolders for further organize your documents. Use consistent naming convention when naming your folders and files. It is important to use consistent naming convention. This will make it easier for potential investor to find the documents they need. For example, you may want to name your folders by department or by types of documents. You may also want to include a date in the folder name so that you can easily identify the latest version of the documents. Use metadata. Metadata is the data about data. It can include things like the title of a document, the author, the creation date, and the file type. VDR allow you to add metadata to your documents. This can help potential investor to find the documents they need by searching for specific keywords or criteria. And provide a table of contents. If your VDR contains a large number of documents, it may be helpful to provide a table of contents. This will give potential investor to quick overview of the documents that are available and help them to find documents they need to quickly and easily. Keep your VDR up to date. Be sure to update your VDR with the latest version of your documents. This will ensure that potential investors have access to the most secure, accurate information. You should also remove any documents that are no longer relevant to the fundraising process. This will help to keep your VDR organized and reduce the amount of the time that potential investors need to spend searching for documents. Make it easy for investor to find the information they need. In addition to organize your documents in a logical way, you should also make it easy for investor to find the information they need. For example, you may want to create a search function allows investor to create custom index. You may also want to provide the links to relevant documents from within the documents. Use permission to control who can access and download what. VDRs allow you to control who can access and download your documents. This is important because it is ensured to that your confidential information is protected. You may want to give different level of access to different investors. For example, you may want to give investors who are in the early stage of the fundraising process access to your documents than investors who are in the later stages of the processes. And track your user activity. VDRs allow you to track user activity. This can help you to identify which document investors are most interested in and see how they are using VDR. You can use the information to improve your organization of your VDR and make it more user friendly. Here are some additional tips for organizing your VDR fundraising. Think about the needs of your investors when organizing your VDR. It is important to think about the need of your investors. What kind of information will they be looking for, and how can you make it easy for them to find the documents they need. Use a VDR with advanced features. Some VDRs offer advanced features that can make it easier to organize and manage your documents. For example, some VDRs allow you to create custom index and taxonomies. So other allows you to create different views of your data and different user. Get feedback from your investors. Once you have organized your VDR, it is a good idea to get feedback from your investors. This will help you to identify any areas where you can improve the organization of your VDR. In conclusions, the following these steps, you can create a VDR that is well organized, easy for investor to use, and this will help to streamline the fundraising process and make it more efficient for everyone involved. So that's all everyone. I hope you will understand this video, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.